Travel hacking sounds too good to be true. The idea of traveling the world for free sends your mind racing with all kinds of objections. So let's talk through the 4 biggest fears that stop people from travel hacking and why they're wrong. First, you might say, I don't want to open new credit cards and destroy my credit score. Most people wrongly believe that opening new cards automatically hurts their credit. But that's not actually how it works. Your credit score is based on 5 main factors, and payment history and credit utilization are 2 of the most important. So when you open a new credit card, your total available credit increases, which lowers your utilization ratio, which increases your credit score. And as long as you pay your statement balance on time and in full, your payment history gets stronger as well. The temporary dip from a new credit card is usual minimum and bounces back quickly. You can travel for free and have your credit score grow higher. My travel hacking course students have found exactly what I've found. Their credit score went up, not down, once they started travel hacking. Fear number 2. You might say, I don't want to open a lot of credit cards. Good news. Quality matters more than quantity. It's not about signing up for a lot of credit cards quickly. It's about strategically layering and leveraging the right cards that best fit your travel goals. Many people assume travel hacking means managing a wallet full of cards. Well, there's no one-size-fits-all strategy, and you get to choose the pace and strategy that works best for you. You can successfully engage travel hacking without opening more than 2 to 3 credit cards in a year. You can do it at your own pace. No need to rush, stress, or go big. With a clear plan that never feels overwhelming, you can do it. See, by strategically opening 3 cards in the year leading up to their wedding, one of my travel hacking course students enjoyed a free honeymoon at an all-inclusive resort in Costa Rica with free flights as well. They even had points left over afterwards that allowed them to travel multiple times in their first year of marriage. It was so simple that it didn't add any stress to an already stressful wedding prep season. Fear number 3. You might say, I'm afraid I'll get less value than I already get from my cashback card. Cashback is simple, but it's also the lowest value option. Travel points can often be worth 2 to 5 times more valuable than cashback when used strategically. Many people think they're winning by earning 2 to 3% cashback on every purchase. And the banks actually want you to choose cashback because it saves them money. That same spending could actually give you 10 to 25% return in travel value instead. Let's look at the numbers. $5,000 spent on a 2% cashback card would earn you about $100. But $5,000 spent on a travel rewards card with a 100,000 point bonus would earn you 105,000 points, which could be used for over $3,000 in free travel. Travel points unlock value, while cashback simply refunds you a small percent. But when you switch from cashback to points, you don't just save, you multiply. Fear number 4. You might say, I don't spend enough money to earn points for free travel. Well, you don't need to spend more. You just need to spend smarter. If you spend at least $1,700 per month on your everyday expenses, then you can do this. Travel hacking isn't about spending more money. It's about redirecting the money you're already spending. Think about how much you already spend in these areas. Think about everyday expenses, gas, groceries, dining, online shopping, and more. Think about your recurring expenses, utility, phone, subscriptions, internet, insurance, and more. Think about your large expenses, maybe house and car repairs, medical bills, school payments, and more. When you switch from cash, checks, and debit cards to travel rewards cards, it changes everything. Don't let these fears and others stop you from unlocking the secrets of free travel. Maybe you, like me, are a skeptic and you want to press deeper into your objections. I have the perfect thing for you. I wrote a free guide just for you. It's called The Skeptic's Guide to Travel Hacking. In this short guide, I debunk the 7 most common myths that keep skeptical people from enjoying the freedom of free travel, and it reveals to you how travel hacking really works. Ready to see what you've been missing? Download it today in the link of the description to this video. Starting today, you can enjoy the freedom of free travel.